Assalamualaikum and good day. In this presentation, we will be discussing the body allocation system, which is a memory management algorithm used to divide a larger memory block into smaller parts to satisfy memory requests. We will start by discussing memory management in general, then differentiate between fixed and dynamic partitioning. Then we will dive into the body system, its use case, and provide example of its implementation. Lastly, we will discuss the body system binary tree and how it's work. So the first is memory management. So memory management is a critical component of any operating system as it plays significant role in determining the system overall performance and efficiency. So the primary function of memory management is to allocate and deallocate memory of various process, ensuring that each process has the required memory to function correctly. Memory is divided into two categories, which is primary memory, also known as a memory, and secondary memory. So primary memory is typically made up of random access memory, and is used to store data that is currently being used by the system and the various process running on it. So secondary memory, on the other hand, include device like hard disk drive, solid state drive, and flash drive, which are used for the long-term storage. So next is fixed partitioning. So it's a memory management technique that involves dividing memory into fixed partition of equal size. So this partition then allocate to process as needed. So one of the advantage is that it's simple and easy to implement. However, it also suffer from internal fragmentation as process may not always need an entire partition, leading to the waste memory. So the next is dynamic partitioning. So on the other hand, it involves dividing memory into variable size partition to fit the memory requirement of process. So this technique has advantage of reducing internal fragmentation as it allocates memory precisely to process as needed. However, it also suffer from external fragmentation as it may not always be possible to allocate memory for a new process even if there is enough memory available due to small block of memory left over between partition. So for the binary system, so the binary system maintain a list of free blocks of each size called a free list. So that is easy to find a block of desired size if one is available. If no block of the request size available, allocate search for the first non-empty list for the block at least the size of request. So these are the type of body system. The first is binary body system. So the second is Fibonacci body system. So this Fibonacci system in which block are divided into the size which are Fibonacci number. It satisfies the following relation such that is Xi equal to Xi minus 1 plus Zi minus 2. So the original procedure for the Fibonacci body system was either limited to a small fixed number of block size or a time-consuming computation. So the next is weighted body system. So weighted body system is similar to the original body system. The large block are split iteratively to provide the desired small block in the system. The blocks are released. They are combined with their body if the body is available, or failing this are attached to an available space list. So the last is a ternary body system. The ternary body systems allow the block size of 2K and 3.2K, whereas the original body system allow only a block of size of 2K. So this extension is achieved at an additional cost of 2 bit per block, Simulation of the proposed algorithm has been implemented in the C programming language. So let's take a look for the example. So the body system can be represented using a binary tree, which is not in the tree represent a block of memory. So the root node represent the entire block of memory, and each child node represent a body. For example, if we have a block of memory of size 64, so the binary tree will look like this. So next, if a program requests a block of memory of 20, so the operating system will allocate a block of size of 32, and the binary tree will look like this. So if a program requests the block of size 32 is split into the two body of size 16. The block of size 16 is then split into two body of size 20 and 16. The body of size 20 is allocated to the program. In conclusion, the body allocation system is a efficient memory management technique that makes optimal use of memory space. It is involved dividing larger memory block into smaller block known as body. The binary tree represent of the body system provide a clear picture of how memory is allocated and managed. Memory management is crucial aspect of computer system, and technique like a body system help to ensure that the system runs smoothly and efficiently. So that's all from me. Thank you.